sea urchin can resist the allure of a single grain of seaweed. In nature, the finest foods often need only the simplest preparation. This pure, harmless algae, rich in a variety of nutritious trace elements, is a favorite of every sea urchin. After months of stillness on the seafloor, the first rays of spring sunlight finally arrive. As the light penetrates the water and reaches the seabed, countless starfish begin moving toward elevated areas. During the breeding season, when water temperature and other conditions are ideal, female starfish release millions of eggs from their ovaries located in their central disc and arms. Male starfish release sperm from testes in their arms, and in the surrounding seawater, these meet to form fertilized eggs. Starfish aren't the only ones responding to seasonal changes. Sea cucumbers, hiding in rock crevices, eagerly await the arrival of drifting starfish eggs. Using their tentacles, which surround their mouth located near their anus, they feed greedily on this seasonal delicacy. This annual spawning event becomes a feast for countless marine creatures. The sunlight also triggers explosive growth in kelp. Giant kelp can grow up to 0.5 meter per day, with mature fronds reaching lengths of 50-60 meters. Vast kelp forests quickly form, creating unique ecosystems teeming with life. But competition here is fierce. Along the Pacific coast of North America, these forests stretch for hundreds of kilometers. In these kelp forests, the California sheepshead, a brightly colored wrasse, patrols its territory. It maintains areas rich in small fish and shrimp, but guarding such a space is no easy task. When night falls, the sheepshead retreats to rest, leaving the forest vulnerable. Then, sea urchins emerge, feeding recklessly on the kelp. In large numbers, these sea locusts can devastate a kelp forest, stripping it bare over vast distances. However, sheepshead fish are among the few predators capable of controlling sea urchin populations. With their strong teeth, they bite through the urchin's spiny shell to reach the soft flesh inside. Smaller urchins can be eaten whole, while larger ones are cracked open and shared among other fish. In healthy ecosystems, predators like sheepshead keep urchin numbers in check. But in areas where predators are absent, sea urchins multiply unchecked. Their insatiable appetite turns lush kelp forests into barren wastelands. Without the shelter of kelp, countless marine species lose their homes. Urchins first attack the kelp's holdfast, the root-like structure anchoring it to rocks, before moving on to fronds and blades. With their 5 ever-replacing teeth, they can chew through even the toughest kelp. When kelp disappears, the empty seabed is often overrun by large predators like the sunflower starfish, which can grow over 1 meter in diameter. These starfish hunt sea urchins relentlessly, using their many arms to envelop and digest them, leaving only their white, empty shells behind. In this underwater world, every shift in balance, from the warmth of the sun to the bite of a predator,